So good morning friends. So today we discuss about the unit for statistical mechanics. So already we have to discuss 3 units, complete units, then important topics and also study materials we have to discuss. If you want, please see the description box. So coming to the point, today we discuss statistical mechanics, the most important things. So in this unit, maximum 11 questions should be asked. So first of all, we have to starting from some of the important points, then macroscopic and microscopic description. So in microscopic point of view, we have to say which is called as the large scale means which is called macro, then small scale means micro. So we have to differentiate microscopic and macroscopic description with respect to statistical mechanics. So some of the points like in macroscopic pressure, volume, temperature and internal energy and entropy, those parameters are measured through direct experiment. So this is the most important. The combined position and momentum space is called phase space. This is most important. In previous year question paper they are asked in more than 2 or 3 times. Then Stirling approximation is also most important. So this is the most important. Then log n factorial equal to n log n minus n. So then study of the statistical mechanics can be classified 2 categories. One is classical statics or Maxwell-Boltzmann statics. Then second one quantum statics. In quantum statics there are 2 statics. One is Bose-Einstein statics and Fermi-Dirac statics. So those 3 type of statics already discussed elaborately from the previous video one by one. So if you want, get the link in the description box. So what is meant by Maxwell-Boltzmann statics? So Maxwell-Boltzmann statics, which is nothing but the particles are identical and distinguishable particle of any spins. So the molecule of gases or particle of this kind, which is called as MB statics. So these are all the important points. So the total number of the eigenvalue we have to find out by using this, and same way we have to find out the probability of given state. Then finally we have to get the Maxwell-Boltzmann statics. So this is the most important things. So by using this we have to consider the Maxwell distribution of velocity mean, then root mean square and most probable velocity. So the Maxwell-Boltzmann velocity distribution law, then most probable speed, then mean speed, average speed or mean square speed or root mean square speed, these are the most important. Then previous question paper they asked more than 3 or 4 times. So then Bose-Einstein statics. So similar way from before the cases, Maxwell-Boltzmann particles are identical and distinguishable particle of any spin. In these cases the particles are identical and indistinguishable particle of zero or integral spin. So these are all the some of the point related to the Bose-Einstein statics. Then what are the conditions? So similar way we have to find out the Bose-Einstein statics similar to the Maxwell-Boltzmann statics. We have to find out the number of eigenvalues and what are the conditions for maximum probability. So finally we get the equation for Bose-Einstein statics. So next we move on to the black body radiation. So I have to move fast because those topics are already discussed. We go through only the study material, what are all the things, and previous year question paper they should ask only, we have to discuss in this video. So that's why we have to move fast. So then black body radiation is one of the most application for Bose-Einstein statics to electromagnetic radiation in thermal equilibrium, which is called as a black body radiation. So this is the most important. Then photon of zero residual mass and spin quantum number like all particle with spin, which is means they obey Bose-Einstein statics. So these are all the conditions. So if you go through, if you have any doubt, please ask your or queries in the comment box. So we have to find out the energy state with frequency range, then similarly energy density. So from this equation we find out applying the two conditions, then alpha and beta, then we get Planck's radiation formula. From this we have to get Planck's law. Then after that we have to similar two cases with respect to less than or smaller than, we have to get Rayleigh-Jeans law and Wien's law. For Rayleigh-Jeans law for longer wavelength, then Wien's law for shorter wavelength is most important. So this is the total energy we have to find out. So from this equation we have to know the Stephan constant value, and similarly value for B constant, similar 8 pi k power 4, then pi 4 by 15 c cube h cube. This is the most important value. So similar Fermi-Dirac statics. So this is also from particles are identical and initiable particle of half integral spin. Maxwell-Boltzmann equation la particles are identical and indistinguishable of any spin. Then Bose-Einstein la particles are distinguishable and integral spin. So in Fermi-Dirac particles are identical and indistinguishable particle of half integral spin. So Fermi-Dirac obeys the Pauli's exclusive principle and also called as fermions. So some of the examples like electron, proton, neutron. So similar, some of the point similar to the Maxwell-Boltzmann and Bose-Einstein. So the same way we have to find out the number of eigenstate and maximum probability. So these are all the two auxiliary conditions. So finally we have to get the Fermi-Dirac statics like this. So next, electron gas. So already electron gas also we have to elaborately discuss in the one more audio from previous. So if you get a link from the description. So in this electron gas, to find out the gas electronic specific heat and pressure of electron gas, these are the two important things. So similarly, then Pauli's paramagnetism. So in these cases there should be a two condition. When magnetic field is greater than 0 or similar, then E power is greater than, means similarly when B is equal to 0, then half of the particle is spin up and other half of is spin down. If it temperature is low temperature, there should be a two condition. With respect to greater than n plus n minus, so then shift in favor of spin up, and we have to get a net magnetization. We have to find out the intensity of magnetization. We have to define by total magnetic momentum by value. So finally we get this eigenvalue, the value of magnetic susceptibility. So the elementary idea of phase transition. So this is the two conditions. When dou P by dou V with respect to pressure and volume, there should be a two condition with respect to stability condition from a gaseous state and liquid state. So finally the curve have positive slope. This region has maximum two phase coexist along the horizontal line. So these are all the theories similar to the phase transition. Then liquid helium is one of the most important topics. It is an applications of Bose-Einstein statics. So some of the important points given related to the liquid helium. So please go through it. If you have any doubt, please ask your question in the comment box. So the Lewis theorem is also two cases. One is principle of conservation of density in phase to phase and principle of conservation of extension in phase to phase. So the microcanonical ensembles. So in these cases there should be a lot of ensembles. So in our syllabus they are given only three ensembles, like microcanonical ensembles, then canonical ensembles, then grand canonical ensembles. So the equation of state and thermodynamic functions of ideal gas of equipartition of energy with respect to momentum and position coordinate, we have to find out by applying the upper and lower limit respectively. So this is the most important one. Each degree of freedom of the system with respect to the position and the momentum means then of kT per particle. So these are all the application. Then mean kinetic energy of the molecule in a gas, and similarly then Brownian motion, the harmonic oscillator at high temperature and low temperature respectively. So these are all the difference for Maxwell-Boltzmann, then Fermi-Dirac, then Bose-Einstein. So similarly then harmonic emissions. So this is the most important one. So up to this we have to stop. Next we move on to the fifth unit. So please suggestion your ideas in the comment section, and also share your friends for who are preparing the upcoming PGTRB and Polytechnic also. So if you like this video, please share and comment and also like. So to meet in the next video. Thank you friends. Thank you.